Hi everyone, and welcome to the Scrap and Create channel. It's Christine here, and I wanted to share another mini album that I made using the brand new Princess collection from Graphic 45. Now, a few days ago, I posted a step-by-step tutorial as well as a walkthrough on how to create this large 8x8 mini album using this collection. What I did is I got the entire bundle collection from Scrap and Create. They will put together for you the 12 by 12 paper in the collection, the 12 by 12 patterns and solids, the 8 by 8 paper, design papers, and then the chipboard elements, the sticker sheets, the ephemera, and the tags and pockets. So you get all of those together, plus they throw in some wonderful freebies like ribbon and beautiful filigree and charms as a thank you for purchasing the bundle. I wanted to show you guys how much I had left over. I was able to create this huge album here, this 8x8 album here that there's already several videos on this channel. And then I was able to create this smaller 5x7 album. And I still have tons of scraps left to really deck out my photo mats for this 8x8. Okay, so let's go through this smaller album really quickly here. Again, as I stated, it's a 5x7, which means the pages are 5x7, the cover's 5.5 by 7.5, and the spine is 2.5 by 7.5. So that's the back there, and that is the spine, and then here is the cover. For this cover, I just kept it really simple. I just backed an ephemera card on some cream cardstock, and then I popped it up with foam tape. This is a little, ephemera piece that I popped up on some foam tape as well. I have a little Tim Holtz brad that has a jump ring on it, and I added this little charm here that's a little crown. I added some flowers from my stash, and then these beautiful filigrees here in the corners are from Scrap and Create, and then I just added some beautiful pink rhinestones from my stash just to bling up the cover a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and open the album, and this is the inside front pocket here. As you can see, the inside of the front cover is very simple. It's just a pocket with a couple photo mats that I placed in. This was done with a light craft cardstock, this particular album was. As you can see, I had plenty of leftover stickers that I backed on cardstock for this album as well. And I even used some leftover ephemera. Most of the papers in this smaller album are from the 8x8 collection. I had most of that collection left after creating my larger mini album. However, there are some strips throughout that are the 12 by 12, and then some of the ephemera pieces that came from the ephemera collection. So these are just photo mats. You can do some journaling on one side, place your photos on the other, and they slide beautifully back in this pocket. Next, moving on to page number 1, we have a little flap here, and then we have a pocket. Again, this is a very simple album. That's what it looks like matted. And then here, of course, are some photo mats as well where you can do some journaling. Super simple album. This one's really easy to put together. I neglected to cut the photo mats that go in the sides. I just honestly forgot, but each pocket page has a little side pocket rather, for a large photo mat that would measure, 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Because again, the pages are 5x7. All right, scooching over now to page number 2, we have this large ephemera piece here that flips open. You have a place for a photo here. This is a 4x4 space, meaning it's 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and a 4x4 photo would fit there perfectly without needing to be cropped. That flips open, and you can put a photo on the back as well. And then here is the base page. This is a little cut apart from the 8x8 collection, and I just stuck it on some of that light craft cardstock, only glued it down on 2 sides, so it serves as a stopper for photo mats. This is the cream on this one is 3x4, and then the little frame is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So a 3 1/4 photo would fit right over the cream, and then you'd have a little bit of a layer of that cardstock behind it. The stickers, of course, are all open as well, so you can slide your photos right under. So that's page 2. Here's page 3. Have a little ephemera card here. This is a piece just for decorative purposes. My idea was to kind of leave this alone. This is from the signature sheet, and I just love it. I thought it was really pretty. Then this opens up and you have a pocket back here. This is what the matting looks like. And you have a couple little, I just did a couple little ephemera cards that I stuck in that pocket that you could use for photo mats. And then on the base page here, I have a sticker from the sticker sheet that I again backed on cardstock, and I only glued down on 2 sides, and it serves as a stopper for your photographs. So there is that. Again, you would have a side pocket for a large photo mat. Now onto page 4. This has 2 side flips here, like so, and then this is a belly band that can hold 4x6 and under photographs. Now what I mean by that is this craft cardstock is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and then the ephemera card is 4x6. So that means that you could stick a 4x6 photo without having to crop it at all right down on this, and you'd still have a nice little border of cardstock there behind it. Okay, so that, and you can fit, this is a pretty generous belly band, so you could fit more than one under here. I just have one for demonstrative purposes. And then of course you can fit 2 little pictures on the sides here. Moving on to page 5, we have this beautiful ephemera card here from the ephemera part of the collection. You open that up, and then up top here you have another little area that has a little pocket here, and you can put little tags, and even pictures. This whole area is 4x6, so you could fit that and below pictures in here in this little pocket. There's a little sticker there from the collection. And then moving down to the base page, it's very simple. You just have a pocket. That's what it looks like matted. I just think that's beautiful, that matting there. And then these are the little cut aparts from the 8x8 collection that I just stuck in the pocket here. Again, you can do journaling or put photos on the back. So these go like this, and then here's a little one, and here's another little one. This beautiful filigree, by the way, came from Scrap and Create as a little freebie bonus for purchasing the bundle. So that's very nice. And then that closes like that. Again, you'd have a side pocket for a large photo mat. Here we are on page 6, and this has a front flap here that flips up. I stuck a little cut apart from the 8x8 collection down here in the corner to serve as a stopper for some photos there. And then this flips up, and you have a place up top there for photographs. And then this flips to the side, and you have a place there for photographs. This is 3x4, and then this one's 4x4. So 4x4, oops, I forgot to put cream on the back of that one, my apologies. But a 4x4, you just put a photo or a cream mat on the back of there. And then you have your base page right here where you can stick some photos or, just lay them in there even. These magnets will hold them in place from all the different flaps. Moving on to page 7 now, we have this, another little stopper here on this top flap that can house our photos. This one flips to the right, however. You can fit a 4x6 photo right there. And then we have a little pocket. That's what the matting looks like there. And then these are just 2 of the little cut aparts from the 8x8 collection that you can do some journaling or put some smaller photos on the back of there. So those go like that. And then that flap closes, and then we come, again, this would be a place for your large pocket here for a large photo mat. And then here we are on page 8. This has a top flap for a 3x4 photo up top there. And then sliding it down, we have this side flap here. Again, I have another little cut apart from the 8x8 collection that I just use as a stopper for a photo. This flap opens to the left, and we have another place for a 4x6 photo. And then here's the base page here. And again, I put a little sticker down here, just put glue on 2 sides, and it serves as a little stopper for your photo mats. And I thought this was really cute. In the sticker collection, there were these 3 stickers. They say, "Your happily ever after." So I just kind of spread those stickers out for this final spread, and I thought that was a cute idea. So this closes here and this closes there, and then finally you have your inside back cover, which is very simple, just a simple pocket, but it can fit, again, large photo mats, so 4x6 without having to crop can go right on this photo mat, and then it slides right down in this pocket here. Alrighty, So that is a very quick little walkthrough of this super simple little album. This album was so easy to put together. I put it together in just a few, I mean, really just a matter of minutes. I think it took probably like a total of an hour to put this together. It was so simple. And I think the result is beautiful. You could really give this as a nice gift for Christmas. Who wouldn't love to receive this, right? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, my goal was just to show you how much material you actually get. So I was able to make two complete albums with photo mats, with everything that came in the bundle, and I still have leftover supplies. So very, very cool. All right, thank you guys so much as always for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little album here, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.